It stops there? Oh, right there. Hey. Alright, this is kind of funny. Nate was right here and he was like, oh, it's a dead end. Yeah, let's take a left. We're gonna take a left and then see if there's another way. This is the way we came. Whoa, hey. Right here. Let's try this. Nate, you want to go first? You can be the star of the show for a minute or so. Alright. I think we're kayaking in Brennan Beach's sewage. Aw. I know you guys don't like spiders, but this is a cool spider. It has glamour to it. This is rough. I don't know if the camera's catching this right now, but I'm following the journey of a little snail. Yeah. It might have stopped. Is it blinking? Oh my god. Freaking. That's it. We're done.